All right, what is up, guys? So real quick here, I'm just coming out place you guys normally see me coming out to. Out here, my little ponds, my little go-to ponds. I'm running a couple errands real quick today, but I made a quick stop here. So 3 setups: worm, top water, crankbait. We're gonna cover all the depths. Got a little spot right over here, you guys can see. And yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can get on some fish today. All right, so today got about maybe 20-25 minutes tops. Try to see if I can get on some fish. So you guys stick with me. First bait up is a hold on, see you guys, shakyhead worm. So I'm just try that real quick. Probably not worth it to go out there and get some cold. Alright guys, a little bit more difficult than I hoped. We usually pull out a soft plastic worm and light it up, but on a day like today, hold on. Oh man, hold on. Alright guys, so I'm having absolutely zero luck on the shakyhead. They might need maybe a little bit more noise or something to find out where I'm at. So I'm gonna actually go to this double plopper buzzbait here. Not a bait I throw a lot, but maybe I can entice one of these bigger fish to come up. It looks like it's more of a meal. I don't have a trailer hook on there, which is what Bama Bass definitely suggests, a trailer hook. Like I said, I normally don't throw it. It's as a part of my winter time. I just want to throw some new lures. Motto. This is one of the things I had tied on. So for everyone who's watching the video and is like, dude, why are you throwing a freaking double plopper in the rain in 50-degree water? That's why, because the winter time I'm trying out. Basically, I want to just get familiar with some actions and, you know, how baits are reacting and like that. I just learned a lot by doing that right there, because that bait sometimes comes straight up, sometimes it doesn't. So it's good to know. Alright, and then what I got on now, guys, sorry, I didn't show you the plopper. What I got on now is my RBT custom bait, crankbait, made by RBT Custom Baits cranks. I'm throwing that on my Shimano Curado paired up with a Dobyns Fury 705 CB crankbait. I got 12-pound Sunline crank FC. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and make a move. There's another one right here on the other side I'm gonna try as well. Okay. Alright guys, so like I said, there's another little pond area here as well. So I'll show you guys this one up here so you can see, but I'm going down a little farther. Alright, hope you guys can see from up there. Whoa! Alright guys, so quick midday update. I got no fish, 1 bite. Still trying to see if I can get a fish. I probably got about 6 or 7 more minutes, and I gotta run one more errand and get back to the house and finish up some work. So. Alright guys, I just missed that 1 bite on the crank. I mean on the switch to the top of it. Let's bite all day. So I'm gonna switch back to the worm, and then we're out. Get in here, buddy. Get in here. Get in here. Yes. Fish on the freaking shaky head. Fish on the shaky head. Oh, wow. Wrong way. Fish on the shaky head, y'all. Yeah. I mean, it's not that big, guys, but I'm just super psyched because I got one.
Yeah, guys, so as I was ready to like reeling in my bait, this fish like took the shaky head and started running. So of course I kind of set the hook, kind of just lifted up on it, realized I had the nice size fish on there, and then just kind of followed him right up on the bank there. So pretty cool, probably my weirdest fish catch in a very long time.
I was done reeling, guys. Done reeling. And like right here, catch him on the shaky head. You see it? Shaky head. Let's go. All right, guys, and that's on my new Cadence. I don't know if you guys can see that fight, but good grief. That's on that new Cadence rod. I got... Sorry, guys, I'm holding the camera every which way imaginable. All right, guys, so that's the first decent fish I've caught in a long time. Ow. And he's not that huge. He might be a pound and a half at most, probably, but still, I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Buddy, he's cold. There he goes. Yes, guys. Yes, got that. Ah, got him. Yes. So I'm super hyped, guys. Got one fish after all that time. Alright, guys, so this episode of Ty's Fishing Adventure is complete. Whoa, once I can remember how to get out of here. It's complete. So all my conventional stuff I was trying, you know, casting near certain things. I did miss a bite, but overall, finally ended up catching a fish right there towards the end. Thought this video was gonna be epic fail. Mind you, one fish isn't really that great, but for these conditions, I think it's not bad at all. I probably could have had maybe slightly different lures on, possibly. Definitely not that buzzbait, maybe popper or something, you know, something. But to be honest, I'm not sure. Typically when it's raining like this and all this craziness, I'm not the one that's coming out and fishing. But again, you can see the whole location. I got the whole area to myself. Like I'm out here just chilling. Again, that's one pond, that's two. And over there you can see the three. I showed you guys this before, but you can see I got the whole area to myself. I bring my setups, I try what I want. I walk around, pretty much doing and however I please. It's great, catch the fish, release the fish, come back, catch them when they get bigger. Let someone else catch them when they get bigger, whatever. Maybe a spinnerbait, do a little bit more flash. Might could have cut through this, possibly, you know. Not sure, just feel it out. But my goal typically when I do this is to catch something on what I bring. So even though it may not be the right conditions or the best bait for that, bring it out and catch it with what I bring. That's just typically my goal, especially with these fall, winter months. I'm gonna bring what I got and see if I can catch it on what I got. And like I said, it helps me get familiar with different actions, how to fish certain baits, certain ways, what to look for, signs, things like that. Really helps me become a more versatile angler, and that's my main goal. That's what I'm trying to do. So today I had 3 shaky head, double buzzbait plopper, and crankbait, square bill. Ended up catching one fish on the shaky head. It's a zoom worm, and I believe it's an owner shaky head. I'm not 100% sure. But a zoom worm and a shaky head was the ticket today for that one fish I caught. I'd say relatively successful day. I was out here for about 45 minutes. Had a good time. Now I gotta run one more errand, head to the house, and call it a day. Get ready for church in the morning. So I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, supporting my channel. I appreciate everyone that does that, man. Appreciate you guys. As my son says, peace, 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 peace. I'm out.